Hey everybody, it's Ryan. And I'm going to be giving, man, these things are awesome. I'm going to be giving an overview of these headphones that can be wired or wireless via Bluetooth, have built-in, they call it denoising. There's three different modes when it comes to playing music and just the overall quality. So first off, this is what they look like. Not sure if they have a variety of different colors, but the adjustments are here and here. There's a cushion here, and then these are kind of squishy. These are not over the ear; they're like on the ear, but they are squishy enough to where they are definitely comfortable. Then these turn 90 degrees. Both turn 90 degrees. There is a LED icon here. It does come with a USB to USB-C cord to plug in. Then it has an easy to use here on the backside, depending on how you're wearing them. It has a switch that will either turn on or off the denoising feature, or with a double click, we'll either turn it on music mode, normal mode, or gaming mode, which really kind of changes the whole dynamic of the listening experience as far as bass, as far as outside noise and everything else. I never had a pair like this before. It kind of took me by surprise, like just the difference in a set with just a click of a button. It also has the ability to switch tracks, power the volume up or down. Obviously, that can be also connected via Bluetooth and controlled everything via the Bluetooth connection. As mentioned earlier, it can definitely be plugged in and wired. So if this was used in a wired situation, then you could just play music and everything, through whatever device that you're using. The color on this one, again, I don't know if they had different colors, but this is a sort of a silver brush nickel color here. This is sort of your silver color here with this is kind of a brown, I guess it is a brown color. Very light for sure. And even when you're wearing, the denoising is on right now, so if I'm talking loud, uh, this is what it would look like being worn. Just overall, I mean, pleasantly surprised. I normally don't have a reaction like this to things, but like pleasantly surprised the quality, like, and the bass. Like you could feel, the bass comes through pretty good, especially for something which is these seem kind of small, but the bass is like, depending on the kind of music being listened to, is pretty good for sure. Some other cool features are the battery life is like 2 days. Not that somebody would play video games or listen to music nonstop for 50 hours, but 50 hours of continuous battery life, which is just unbelievable. Also, these have a built-in mic, so you don't need a mic that kind of pulls around. It's like built in, and so like when you're talking right now, the mic is actually picking up when this is being worn, which is pretty cool. So you don't necessarily have something in front of you, but it's picking up nice and clear. It just doesn't have a physical one that you see hanging out the side. Very, very cool. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little test, do a little overview, a little tutorial of our wireless or wired Bluetooth headphones that come with the denoising feature, which I've never experienced before. Hopefully, any and all of your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.